the word carbon has been demonized as kind of the problem of the planet. And of course, most of the time it's talking about CO2 and fossil fuel kind of burning and things like this. It turns out, though, biologically, carbon is actually the most important substrate that we can speak of if we're going to talk about life. Perhaps you've heard of a course in college called organic chemistry, and perhaps you've suffered through an organic chemistry course. It was my least favorite course that I ever took, and you're basically just memorizing a bunch of weird shapes on paper and trying to remember if it's a benzene or whatever the heck it is, and it just seems so ludicrous. And it's like, this is absolutely boring. But what they never freaking told me was that we are about to teach you the fundamental structure of life itself, and not a single cell would exist without this carbon relationship. If they had pitched it that way, it would have been a lot more intriguing. If they had storytold the experience of being human is in the sacred geometry of these carbon molecules, that would have been kind of a riveting thing. But instead, they pitch it as if, you're some sort of, abstract artist and you need to, assign random Latin terms to abstract art. The problem of that education that creates abstract knowledge bases is it makes it very easy for industry or governments to manipulate the value system around those abstract thoughts. And so if you had been imbued with a sense of awe and wonderment about carbon when you went through your basic chemistry courses, it would have been much harder for the government to tell you that carbon is the poison that's killing the planet and you.